Did you know ancient Greeks believed sneezing was a message from the gods? Gesundheit, someone sneezed before a battle? Boom, bless you, literally meant go to war. Sneeze to the right? Good omen. Left? Oh, maybe just stay home today. Even Aristotle wrote about sneeze signs. He was basically the original sneeze influencer. Pregnant women sneezing too much? Greeks thought the baby might get dizzy. Science? Honestly, it was like horoscopes but mucus. You'll meet a tall, dark stranger if you sneeze 3 times at dinner. Next time you sneeze in public, just say, "Sorry, it's the prophecy."